destructive methods because the hose clamps on this rail are one-time use.
Do you know it's logical projects?
Yeah, do you know it's logical projects? Yeah. Yeah. So anyway, I'm just gonna keep it short and simple. And so right now we got injectors removed from the fuel rail. I had to use a knife and other destructive methods because the hose clamps on this fuel rail are one-time use. Okay. Yeah. So anyway, all the as I said earlier, injectors tested fine electronically, so just clean them. What I'm gonna do is just grab kind of brake cleaner parts, just spray it down outside, and I bought a rebuild kit. Hopefully, it has the right parts inside. So what ends up happening is that the it's better with 1000% speed, and the computer starts lagging a whole lot because it has to decode the video because I didn't pre-cache it. I didn't pre-cache it because it uses a lot of space.
Yeah.
And yeah, so I unboxed the Mr. Injector kit. I'll send links on the description below, I guess. It comes with everything. It has hose clamps, it has the spacers for different injector sets, depending on the vehicle you have. If you don't have a 300ZX, you have some other vehicle that has hose clamp style injectors. Got new hoses, part of the kit. And it got the most important part, a new filter and pintle caps. So far, my friends cleaned the injectors. They look pretty clean so far. So you could just drop a pebble inside.
Well, right now they still have a filter, so it's not a huge deal. But
yeah.
Just don't do that later.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, we're just gonna continue just cleaning them. But yeah, it looks like it has everything in the rebuild kit. Cool. Now,
Try not to stab me with that.
don't worry. I'll just stab. I don't segregate when it comes to stabbing.
Stabs yourself.
Pretty much. One of these gonna stab first.
I like it when they do this kind of stuff. When they're like, hey.
Patrick, don't fuck up.
Well, one of them, they for the shifter bushings on the Metro, they wrote me instructions on the page handwritten.
Handwritten?
Yeah.
I don't really like handwritten though. That's just me. Interesting is the camera has an internal microphone, but it's really crap. So in theory, I got all these conversations when we were talking, but it was sounding like crap.
Yeah.
What you doing now is I just pick up this injector, and then like accidentally drop them and kick them at the same time.
Or not.
Yeah.
They're actually really delicate.
I know.
So you can see.
Yeah, it is a little pin thing. It's a single pindle. So I got this hairdryer out, and because my heat gun went missing. Well, it's not even my heat gun, but heat gun went missing. So, and the instructions says use heat to heat up the pindle caps. Here's the new pindle caps.
Cuts yourself.
I'm not that edgy yet.
You gotta be careful though.
I know.
Your knife safety is
non-existent. Or negative.
just is.
Yeah, I have to heat it up with a hairdryer. And then yeah, we'll just nicely put them in. Alright. Okay. So decided that hairdryer's not enough, so we got a blowtorch. And we're using a socket to press it in.
As per the instructions that we weren't following earlier.
Well, who the heck follows instructions? Well, yeah, we were supposed to use a socket, but you're not really supposed to use a hair blowtorch, but we don't have the heat gun, so.
And we're using it on really low.
Low enough, I guess. I actually burned my own glove, so it's fine.
Mostly set. And if it doesn't go all the way, you need a little bit more heat. But just be gentle, reasonable.
I forgot, what's the pintle cap for again?
Protects stuff.
Yeah, okay. Apparently, if it's loose, it can leak.
Yep.
Okay, let's keep on going. Okay, so we have the injectors fully rebuilt, new filters, new pinhole cap cleaned up, has new hoses, replacing all the fuel lines on the fuel rail. Just having to do all the work. Okay.
Slave boy, work harder.
Yeah. Actually, where's the zipper bags?
Oh, where'd you put them? Good question.
So what I do is I'll just pick up the camera, and then it'll be really horrible for my computer to demotion. Yeah. But anyway, got the fuel back on. All injectors work. We tested them with the battery and fuel. New fuel filter. I had to trim the hoses for the injectors because they were a little bit too long, and then we're having clearancing issues with the intake rail and fuel rail with the upper intake manifold. So everything now is just gonna be buttoning everything up, and hopefully it'll run evenly. Evenly, right?
Yes, evenly.
Yeah, we need at least evenly. If it runs like crap evenly, it'll be good. Okay. Okay, first start attempt. Everything is mostly buttoned up. I haven't connected fuel temperature, but yeah, well. Does that sound even? Even enough, or? Yeah. No fuel leak, I guess. Just a lot of exhaust leaks.